Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Word could not create the work file. Check the temp environment variable. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click User Shell Folders. Open Cache. Copy text from description and paste it. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.